CROATIan, the urban centre of Konavle. CROATIan is the largest and the only urban centre in Konavle that has been built up deliberately. It is located on the peninsula of Rat, which surrounds the well-protected and accessible bay, together with the peninsula of CROATIan. In its harmonious architecture, the centuries-old natural, spiritual and material affiliation to the Dubrovnik Republic can be observed. CROATIan, the antique Epidurus, was an important Roman colony in this region, which expired after the breakthrough of the Slavs and the Avarians into the area, after the decline of the Western Roman Empire, and their inhabitants fled to the neighbouring settlement of Laos Rav Ragus, where Dubrovnik arose. In historical sources, CROATIan is also mentioned with the name Ragusa Vegetia, which clearly testifies to the connection of these two cities. In the times of the Dubrovnik Republic, CROATIan was the second most important seaport, place of trade, and of administration to the Republic after Dubrovnik. Places like CROATIan, offering so much to the visitors, are quite rare. Its scenery, the rich cultural and historical heritage, along with the range of services offered to tourists, meet the demands of our present-day tourists, thus making it one of the most attractive destinations on the Adriatic coast. CROATIan is located between the magic city of Dubrovnik on one side and beautiful Konavle on the other. There one can still feel the spirit of the pastime and experience the centuries-old tradition of our ancestors. It is an ideal holiday resort. Each visitor can discover his own wishes, enjoy the hidden coves at peace, long walks at the seaside, or spend active holidays going in for recreational sports and entertaining cultural programs. Legend on the genesis of the name CROATIan. The legend about the development of the name CROATIan is interesting because it says that two suitors had asked the beautiful Stanislava's hand in marriage, the daughter of the Epicurean ruler, so that the father decided to give her to that suitor who would perform the biggest task. One of the admirers, the commander CROATIan, should bring aqua viva from the source in Vodovada in Konavle, and the other one, a brave knight and seafarer, should bring a ship full of silk from the wide world. On the day of the festivities of the opening of the Epicurean viaduct, the beautiful Stanislava should first satisfy her thirst with the water from a golden jar. But before, a big lizard jumped out of the water directly onto the girl's lap. Stanislava's heart failed for fear, and she immediately dropped dead. According to tales in the common tongue, the unfortunate seafarer whose ship was sunk by a huge storm directly in front of Epidurus, and who therefore was not able to fulfill his own task, put the lizard into the viaduct since he could not bear the loss of the girl. In memory of the beautiful Stanislava.